So probably if you're working with the WordPress files, if you're trying to upload any plugins or something, you might get this message. Let me show you how it looks. Let's say that you're going to update this one. So you can see briefly unavailable for schedule maintenance. Click back in a minute. So I have done it several times, but this is not going to resolve. But today I'm going to show you how to get it done. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, to fix that problem, what you need to do first, you need to log into your cPanel and click on the file manager. Once you double click on the file manager, then you will see all these folders over here. Then click on the public HTML folder. Then once you open that HTML folder, you will going to see the .maintenance file. Probably in most of the cases you won't see this file over there because it's hidden. This has happened to me as well, because I was searching here and there to how to find this .maintenance file. But what you need to do in that case, you go to your settings, then click on the show hidden files and save it. Once you do that, so you will see the maintenance files over here. What you need to do, right click on that, then delete. Alright, so now we need to do is you have delete this maintenance file. Alright, just confirm it has been deleted. So let's give a refresh to the cPanel and go to the WordPress. Okay, now it is updating. So I used to get this message before. You can see briefly unavailable for the scheduled maintenance. Check back in a minute. Let's see that whether I can update these plugins or not. If that message is not coming, then the things has been fixed. Perfect guys, so that means, see, updated successfully. That means done. So I hope this will fix your issues guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like the contents, subscribe to my channel and give the thumbs up. All right, see you from another